Hello friends, welcome to Tips and Tricks in Mathematics. This is for class 11 students and the topic of discussion is limits and derivative. In this video we will be focusing on NCERT solutions for exercise number 2 which is dealing on derivatives. In the first problem we need to find the derivative of square minus 2 at x equal to 10. What does it mean? It means first we need to find derivative of x square minus 2 and then substitute x equal to 10 in the derivative which we have found. So how to find derivative of x square minus 2? We see that let f of x equal to x square minus 2. We see that there are two terms. One is x square and another term is 2. 2 is a constant. It can be 3, 4 or any real value. We should understand the derivative of a constant term is 0. Why? Because derivative means rate of change and for a constant term there is no rate of change. So its derivative is 0. So we are left only with the term x square. So how to find derivative of x square? We know for x power n derivative is nx power n minus 1. So we find derivative of x square as 2 into x power 2 minus 1 which is 2x. Derivative of minus 2 is 0. So for this function f of x square minus 2 its derivative is 2x. Now we have to find the derivative at x equal to 10. So we substitute x equal to 10 in this. We write this as f dash 10 or f dash x equal to 10. 2 into 10 is 20. So this is the final answer. Now find the derivative of the following function from first principle x cube minus 27. What is first principle? First principle means we have to use this expression. The meaning of derivative which is we know f dash x equal to limit h tending towards 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h where h is tending towards 0. So let f of x is x cube minus 27. Then f of x plus h is wherever x is there we will put as x plus h. So this will be x plus h power cube minus 27. So we got like this. Now we put it into this equation. So we get f dash x limit h tending towards 0. This is f of x plus h. This is f of x divided by h. We now simplify this. This is minus 27 and when we open the bracket here we will get a plus 27 term and minus x cube term. This will get cancelled and we now open x plus h cube which is a plus b cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So we expand x plus h3 x plus h power cube using this formula and we get this expression limit h tending towards 0. On simplification of this we get h square plus 3x square plus 3xh. Now we substitute h tending towards 0 this. So this term will go, this term will go, we will be left with 3x square. So this is the derivative of the problem in which we are solving x cube minus 27. Its derivative is 3x square. For some constants a and b, find the derivative of x minus a into x minus b. So let f of x be this. Now we open and solve this x into x minus b, x into x minus b followed by minus a into x minus b. So we solve this x square minus bx minus ax plus ab. So we get term in x square, x and a constant term. So what is the derivative of ab? Derivative of ab is a constant, so its derivative will be 0. We have seen in our previous problem also because it is given a and b are some constant. So this derivative will be 0. Only x terms will have derivatives. So x square derivative we have seen previously, it is 2x. Using this formula, x power n is its derivative is nx power n minus 1. So 2 into x 2 power minus 1 is 2x. and this is a constant, b plus is a constant into x. Derivative of x is 1. So derivative of b plus a into x will be b plus a only. So we get the expression 2x minus b plus a. This is the final answer. Find the derivative of x power n minus a n x minus a for some constant a. So we see that there are x terms in numerator and the denominator. So we use the formula. This one we have seen. Let f of x equal to u by v, where u is xn minus an divided xn minus an only numerator part, and v will be x minus a only. So this is in this form, and derivative of this is f dash x is equal to denominator the whole square, denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator. We have seen this in previous videos. So we use this formula to find derivative of this f of x. So first we need to calculate u dash and v dash. This is u constant, this constant term, its derivative will be 0. Only this term will have derivative, which is n into x into power n minus 1. Similarly, constant term is minus 8, its derivative is 0. So derivative of x is 1. So v dash will be 1. Now plugging into this formula, we get this expression. And solving this, you get the final answer as n minus 1 into x power n minus na x power n minus 1 plus an by x minus a the whole square is the final answer. We need to find derivative of x power minus 3 into 5 plus 3x. So there are two terms, product terms. One is x power minus 3, another is 5 plus 3x. So they are the product terms. We need to find derivative of product terms. How do we find? It is of the form f of x equal to uv, where u is x power minus 3 and v is 5 plus 3x, and derivative of two product terms is derivative of first term into second term plus derivative of second term into first term. So this is standard formula. I'll repeat again. Derivative is for a function f of x equal to u is derivative of first term into second term plus derivative of second term into first term. This is the standard formula. So we just substitute. We need to find our u dash and v dash. U equal to x power minus 3. We use this formula to get its derivative as minus 3 into x into minus 3 minus 1, which is minus 3 into x power minus 4. Similarly, v equal to 5 plus 3x, derivative of 5 is 0, it's a constant. Derivative of 3x is 3, derivative of x is 1, so 3 into 1 is 3. Now we plug in into this formula, we get f dash x as minus 15 x power minus 4 minus 9 into x power minus 4 plus 1 plus 3x power minus 3, which we can simplify further. This can be simplified further and get final answer as this. Find the derivative of the following function sin x into cos x. This is a trigonometric function, but derivative formula remains same. Now please remember that derivative of sin x is cos x and derivative of cos x is minus sin x. So we again use this formula. F of x is uv, where u equal to sin x, v is cos x. So first function into derivative of second function. The second function into derivative of function is the f dash x. And we know derivative of sin x is cos x, derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Just substitute in this equation. V dash is minus sin x, v is cos x, and we substitute in this equation. We get cos x into cos x plus minus sin x into sin x, which is cos square x minus sin square x, and we know this can be written as cos 2x. So So derivative of sin x cos x is cos 2x. Friends, with this we conclude this video. Please like and subscribe my channel so that in future videos can be released to you instantaneously. Thank you very much, friends.